Learning data structures and algorithms can feel abstract at first. This site makes it easier by turning complex concepts into clear, interactive visualizations. Instead of just reading code or theory, this platform helps you build a mental model. You can actually see how memory mutates, making the logic stick. From core data structures like stacks and queues to complex binary search trees and graphs, every module is designed to show you the why behind the how. It's about seeing the data flow in real time. Take the array module, for instance. You can watch a linear search unfold, seeing exactly which index is being checked and how the code responds in real time. The playground allows for deep experimentation. Run your own code and watch the memory state change instantly. It's the ultimate hands-on learning experience. Even complex sorting algorithms become intuitive when you can watch the comparisons and swaps happen right before your eyes. With this platform, you're not just memorizing syntax, you're building a deep understanding of algorithm efficiency and flow. Explore DSA visually using this site and start building your intuition today. Master the core concepts and ace your next challenge. For more deep dives and tech updates, don't forget to subscribe to Code Dev. We bring you the latest in AI and developer productivity every week. See you in the next one.